Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to 1v1 in COD Mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure the person you want to 1v1 is added as a friend. From the main COD Mobile screen, tap the Friends icon at the top right. Next, go to Add Friends, search for their username, and send a friend request. The other player must accept the request before you continue. Once you are friends, return to the main menu and tap Multiplayer. Make sure the other player is online. Now, look at the bottom right and select the Game mode. Choose Frontline and deselect all other modes, then tap Confirm. After that, tap the three lines at the top right and select Private Match. Wait for the lobby to load, then tap Invite. Find the friend you want to 1v1 and send the invite. Once they accept, you will see both players in the lobby. You can change settings if you want. Then tap Start to begin the match. So that's basically how you can 1v1 in COD Mobile. That's it for this video. Thanks.